With Agility 3, be absolutely connected at all times. Agility 3 is a smart, wireless alarm system, including a full range of accessories for homeowners who want to protect their family and property and be in control. But Agility 3 provides more. Advanced motion detectors with integrated cameras can detect, record, and take pictures of movements inside the home and send them directly to your smartphone. Here's how it works. Agility 3 is connected to a server called the Risco Cloud. This allows you to connect to your home from anywhere using the app or from your computer. You can view the images of your home or arm or disarm the system. You're in control wherever you are. So if the camera detector senses unusual movement in your home, it will send you a message from the Risco Cloud directly to your smartphone. You can view the images taken directly on your smartphone. All images are stored on the Risco Cloud server. So if it's a real burglary, it has been recorded. You decide. You're in control. Agility 3. Be absolutely connected.